everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for June 3rd to June 9th. I'm actually excited because I am skipping on couponing that week because I'll be on vacation. I'm going to Florida, Orlando area for a week, so I'm pretty excited that I actually get to not miss out on some really great deals. But here is what is coming out on sale for the Walgreens ad. Now, I also just posted a video of yesterday of the Walgreens booklet, so definitely check that out. I usually take a picture of every single page so you guys can kind of get an idea. So it's a new booklet, so make sure when you guys go shopping this Sunday you grab a new booklet because there's some good deals, hopefully all month long. So the first thing that pops out to me is the All deal. They're going to be on sale for $2.99. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon that we'll be getting it, making it $1.99. I hope a lot of you guys got all wasted a couple weeks ago at Kroger and then at Walgreens prior to that. So I wanted to share with you guys on this deal. Not much going on. I mean, they got pistachios for $3.99. I don't know if that's a great deal. I think that's a pretty decent deal. And then sometimes there are coupons for those. Lindsay olives, they're 2 for $2. We do have a $1 off a 2 coupon that you guys can print off of I Love Lindsay, and so making them just be 50 cents a piece. Yeah, not much going on. There's like a lot of random food sales, but nothing that's really popping. So there's that. There's this stuff. They do have Keebler and Nabisco snacks and stuff. Sorry, for $1.49. If checkout 51 resets, there are 75% off 2 coupons that we can use for some of those. Plus, there's also there's deals on checkout 51, so you guys could get some pretty good, decent deals for stuff like that. I do think we have a Dove coupon, but I can't remember if it expired, so I'm not sure on that. But they got some, if you guys like Arizona tea, the drink, those are 2 for $1. Now, with all the register rewards that we'll be getting, those are something that you guys can use for filler items when you guys do register rewards. M&Ms are going to be 2 for $4. There is a $1 off of 2 in the Walgreens booklet, and I think we also have a $1 off of 2 that we just got in the coupons not that long ago. So those come out to be like $1 a bag for the M&Ms, so that could be an okay deal. Here is the Renews It. Sometimes I've seen Saving Star have deals in it, but I have not seen Saving Star have a deal in the past. But the Renews It's are going to be 89 cents, and there's a buy 3 get 1 free coupon that's coming out. So you guys would end up paying $2.67 for 4 of them, making them 67 cents. So it's up to you guys if you really need more Renews It's. Not much going on in the photo area here. If you guys buy 2 gift cards, either Chili's or the Choices, which is Chili's, I can't even see the small print, and then Hulu, you get a free $10 gift card for Walgreens. So if you guys eat at the restaurant or you guys use Hulu, definitely buy those prepaid cards, because why not get free 10 bucks? Not much going on in like the Boost, Insure area. I think, like I said, it's going to be a slow week for couponing, which I'm actually pretty excited that it is, because sometimes it's nice just take a break, enjoy things with your family. So I'm just kind of skipping through this. You guys can actually go to the Walgreens website every Wednesday and look at deals. But nothing that's just really popping. I'm not finding anything that's just popping. Nothing. Yeah, baby stuff is if you spend $25, you get 5,000 points. I don't think that's a great deal. Here they have Colgate for if you spend 10, you get a $5, 5,000 points. Now I do know there's those $4 off of 2 coupons, but I think those expire Saturday, so I don't think you'll be able to use that. Listerine is if you buy 2, you get 3,000 points. Those are deals where you cannot pay with points. Crest, $6.99. Says it right here, if you guys spend 30, you get a $10 or 10,000 points, which I'm like, 30 bucks on toothpaste? Yeah, we've done that, but yeah. Not much going on with shampoo and conditioner. I feel like it's a very slow week. They do have some select fragrances 20% off. Now, we do have those $4 off coupons that we got a while back ago. The Olay Body Olay and Old Spice is buy one get one 50% off. Plus I think we're getting dollar off coupons. And then it says if you guys spend $15 or more, you get 5,000 points. So that's the deal if you guys decide you want to do that. Don't pay with points. Olay or Irish Spring and Soft Soap, if you guys spend over $10, you guys get 5,000 points. So again, not the greatest deal on a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to share with you guys. It looks like a lot of the makeup is buy one get one 50% off. Razors, buy one get one 50% off. So nothing just really popping. I just feel like just nothing's just really good this week, and I try to show you guys as much deals as I can. Then this is the rest of the ad. Here they got candies for 69 cents if you guys need filler items. Now everything in the blue, it looks like it's all the stuff that's in the P&G. Now it says if you guys spend $30 or more, you get 10,000 points. So if you guys think about it, you guys could buy 2 Tides, you could buy 2 Dawns, 2 Puffs, maybe I don't know, some Bounty or something. But if you guys could do that, you might be able to get some decent deals. I don't know, I haven't figured out the math. Here, if you guys buy, it says free, nice, 1 dozen large eggs with purchase. Oh, so you guys got to buy the bacon, you get free eggs. So, bacon, bacon, bacon. But, yeah, so that was everything that is in the Walgreens ad. Again, I'm not very excited, so I'm actually super excited that I'm kind of taking an off week for my vacation. So you guys will not see a haul from me unless we get back super early that following Saturday. I might go do a haul just to share with you guys, but otherwise I just wanted to share with you guys some deals so you guys can kind of get an idea of what coupons you guys need and if there's something in there that you really liked. But again, I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.